Hello, my name's Shade Foray with Tax Sale Solutions. I'd like to talk about a question that I've received many times today, and it has to do with the state of the stock market and the crisis that many people feel that we're in right now. The question that I've received today has been, my retirement account has just lost 5 years worth of growth in less than 24 hours. What do I do now? First of all, let's take a look at what actually happened today with the stock market. If you've been watching the news, which I'm sure if you're looking at this video you have, you probably already know this information. Today, the Dow dropped more than 700 points. It was estimated that the total loss in dollar figures was over $1.2 trillion. To give everyone an idea of just exactly how much money that really is, if there were roughly 300 million Americans, every single American would have lost $4,000 today. It's an incredible amount of money. It's more zeros than most people will ever see in their lives. Now, I also want you to take a look at the Dow's biggest tumbles here, or basically the greatest net losses that the Dow has ever suffered. And what I want you to notice here is that 9 out of 10 of the greatest losses that the stock market has ever seen have happened in the last 10 years. 3 of them have occurred in the last 2 weeks. Now, I don't mean to be doom and gloom. What's my point? In other words, everybody can see the news, everybody has heard the same thing, and everybody is talking about the worst case scenario, and they're talking about things like another Great Depression and things like that, which I personally don't believe. Millions of Americans have lost substantial amounts of money in retirement accounts that are supposed to be safe investments. Retirement accounts are supposed to be the accounts that people can rely on to grow at a good, consistent basis. The Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, many of those lost upwards of 8 to 9% of their total value in just one day. That's absolutely amazing. Amazing that a market can be so affected just by investors and what it is that they're anticipating. Why lose money in your retirement accounts because investors anticipate doom and gloom for the economy? Why is it that one government decision can affect so much with investors and what they anticipate to have happen? Why do it if there's a better way to safely invest your retirement funds and earn an 18% or better return? If you're one of the millions of Americans trying to figure out what to expect from the market right now, consider this. Tax liens might sound like a scam or an unrealistic investment strategy. 5 years ago, I probably would have agreed to you. However, times have changed. The internet has made a lot of things in our lives easier. I personally purchased tax liens that I earned an 18% return on, and it's one of the easiest investments that I've ever made. Best of all, I do it all on the internet. Have you ever heard of a checkbook-controlled, self-directed IRA or 401k account? This is something that's relatively new, but it gives you the opportunity to take control of your retirement account and invest in tax liens that can be virtually guaranteed if you understand how to invest in them. Why deal with all of these problems? Why deal with fluctuations in the market and with an unstable economy if you don't need to? Why have all of your eggs in one basket? Why have all of your retirement funds tied up in a stock market that's obviously so volatile? Isn't it about time you took control of your own retirement accounts? If you'd like to learn more about tax lien and deed investing for free, no obligations, and to download free ebooks, training videos, and more, go to secretsoftaxlieninvesting.com. So again, that's secretsoftaxlieninvesting.com, where I can show you how you can use your retirement accounts to earn returns of 18% or better on investments that are as close to guaranteed as anything you will ever find. So again, that's secretsoftaxlinginvesting.com.